It takes just a few simple ingredients to make the best pizza dough at home. Today I'll share my recipe and also I will show you how to make 3 different types of chicken pizza. The Hawaiian pizza, the delicious and my favorite chicken Alfredo pizza, and the BBQ sauce chicken pizza. Please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. In a bowl, add 1½ cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of fine semolina, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, 1 teaspoon of sugar and ½ teaspoon of salt. Whisk them until they are fully combined and then add 1/4 teaspoon of yeast to a 1/4 cup of warm water. And add the yeast mixture to the flour mixture. Add ½ cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Next, knead the dough together by hand for about 8 to 10 minutes. You may need to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. The dough should feel a little sticky to the hand. Add a tablespoon of vegetable oil to a clean bowl and then add the dough and cover it tightly with a plastic wrap. Let it rise at room temperature for about 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. Now we are ready to make the first type, the Hawaiian pizza. To a bowl, add 150 grams of sliced boneless chicken. And then add a pinch of salt and pepper, ½ teaspoon of paprika, ½ teaspoon of chicken spices and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Make sure all the ingredients are fully combined, then cover it and leave it in the fridge to marinate for about 2 hours. To a small pan, add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and then add the previously marinated chicken and cook it for about 3 minutes. Drizzle some vegetable oil to the baking pan, then add the dough. Start by simply pushing the center of the dough with your fingertips and make sure not to push the edges so you can have a nice crust. Poke the dough with a fork as you can see in the video. And then add about a ½ cup of the best homemade pizza sauce ever. You can find the recipe in the description box. Now sprinkle a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese and add some slices of pineapple. Then add the chicken and some slices of bell pepper. Of course, you can add your favorite toppings to the pizza. Bake it in a preheated oven for about 10 minutes or until it is ready to be enjoyed. Next, I'll show you how to make the best and easiest white sauce chicken Alfredo pizza. To a bowl, add the boneless chicken piece and add a pinch of salt and pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of chicken spices and ½ teaspoon of oregano. Add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and then make sure the chicken is fully covered with all the ingredients before you cover it and leave it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours. Then cook it in a small pan with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil for about 2 minutes per side, or until it's cooked through and nicely browned. Then remove it and to the same pan add 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 minced garlic clove. When the garlic starts to get soft, add 1 tablespoon of flour. Then add 3/4 of a cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of thick cream. Cook all the ingredients together until they are nice and thick. Then add a pinch of salt to your taste and your sauce is ready. Slice the chicken breast and now start forming the pizza dough. Then spread the Alfredo sauce on top of it and sprinkle the mozzarella cheese. Add the chicken and some sliced onion, which will give it a great taste. Now it's ready to be baked in the preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes and it's ready. Finally, let's make the third kind of chicken pizza, the barbecue chicken pizza. To a bowl, add 150 grams of sliced chicken. Then add 1 tablespoon of BBQ sauce and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then add a pinch of salt and pepper. Make sure the ingredients are fully combined, then cover it and let it marinate for about 1 to 2 hours. Heat a small pan with 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, then add the chicken and cook them for about 3 minutes. Now form the pizza dough and add the toppings. For the sauce, combine half a cup of my homemade pizza sauce with a 1/4 cup of BBQ sauce. Then spread them on top of the dough. Sprinkle some mozzarella cheese, add the chicken and some slices of onion. To this kind of pizza, I like to add a little sweet corn with the toppings. It gives it a great taste. The pizza is now ready to be cooked in the preheated oven, and it will be ready. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!